Good afternoon to you. It's a wild and woolly week in store with gales in many areas on most days of the week. Added to that, some heavy driving rain as well. I suppose in some ways this morning's weather across western Scotland just about sets the scene. Some more heavy rain to come across Scotland during the afternoon. Whereas further south it's brightened up through the morning. Most places have seen some sunshine, and that's the way it's going to stay for the next few hours as well. Across extreme southern counties it may well stay rather overcast, and there will be more rain moving in across our island before the afternoon is out. Some of the heavy rain continuing though across the north of Scotland where it's windy, and across Shetland no higher than 5 or 6, perhaps 7 degrees today, but elsewhere still very mild, up to 16, 17, possibly 18. Quite ridiculously high temperatures for the early part of November. Well, there's that run of strong winds in from the southwest. That weather system here will bring more wet and windy weather in through tonight and indeed during tomorrow, and that's the one that could bring severe gales across the north of Britain in particular during Tuesday. Monday night into Tuesday we'll find a fierce northerly wind setting in, severe gales, winds gusting over 70 miles an hour perhaps, and then moving away into the North Sea fairly quickly. But as you can see, lots of wind and indeed some rain for much of the week. A very unsettled spell coming up for many parts of the country. Well, tonight we'll find that wind and rain sweeping in from the west very quickly, gale force southerly winds. Temperatures of course will remain very high with the exception of northern parts of Scotland where they may drip down to about 5 degrees just for a short time. A reminder of tomorrow's chart then, with that low pressure up to the north of Scotland, lots of isobars, lots of showers to begin with across central and eastern parts of Britain. Some really wet weather, but brighter weather with squally showers moving in from the west pretty rapidly, although I think there'll be a wraparound of heavy rain across Northern Ireland of Scotland for much of the day. So temperatures tomorrow just beginning to drop down again, about 10 to 14 compared with the 17 that we've got today across the south and east of Britain in particular. And then we'll find another system moving in, more wild weather coming in Tuesday into Wednesday, and more wind and rain sweeping in. On Tuesday, some heavy squally showers turning to snow on the mountains of northern Scotland. Elsewhere, sunshine and showers, and those showers fading away towards the end of the day at the expense of that rain band that you've just seen moving in during Tuesday night. That same system then wriggling across the south during much of the day on Wednesday. Some more wet weather to come for southern and eastern parts of England in particular, but elsewhere it's a return to sunshine and showers, and that's seen continuing then for the rest of the week, Thursday and into Friday. Some heavy squally showers driven on by a gale force west to northwesterly wind. Maybe at the end of the week the showers dying down, but more rain in the offing. That's it.